Hello everybody, I'm Olivia. Let's reading a story. Big Bird says. I know a game called Big Bird Says. I do like to play with you. Just follow me and read along. I will tell you what to do. Big Bird says to touch your nose. Shut your eyes, then touch your toes. Touch the top of someone's head. Touch someone who is in bed. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Put on your shoe and tie your leg. Big Bird says to touch the floor. Put on your coat, walk the door. Put a wagon, bounce a ball. Walk on seat 5 feet tall. Find a girl, then a boy. Show your very favorite toy. Big Bird says to catch a goose. Find someone whose tooth is loose. Find something that makes you lucky. Touch something you take easily. Things easy lucky. Pet a dog, then pet a cat. Kiss someone who wears a hat. Big Bird says to say bow wow. Quick like a good dog, move like a cow. Jump way up high and fly your ring. Stand on your head and start to sing. Draw a picture of a crown. Now do the same things upside down. Touch your elbow, then your knee. I will take you. Tickle, you tickle me. I do love to play some more with you, but now you tell me what to do. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.